Start by chopping citrus peels from lemons or oranges into small pieces. Place the chopped citrus peels into a clean glass jar. Now fill the jar with water until the citrus peels are submerged. Cover the jar loosely and let it sit for 3 to 5 days. The water will absorb nutrients. After 3 to 5 days, strain the peels out to leave just the nutrient-rich liquid. Dilute the citrus peel liquid with water before using it on plants. Now your citrus peel fertilizer is ready. Use it to water your plants for a boost of nutrients. Enjoy nourishing your plants with this easy homemade citrus peel fertilizer. Comfrey tea is an organic liquid fertilizer contains with potassium, phosphorus and nitrogen, ideal for promoting healthy plant growth. Start by gathering fresh comfrey leaves. They are the main ingredient that brings nutrients to your homemade fertilizer. Next, chop the comfrey leaves into small pieces to help release nutrients during steeping. Fill a bucket halfway with the chopped comfrey leaves. This will create a strong base for the tea. Now add water to cover the comfrey leaves completely. Cover the bucket loosely, allowing airflow while it steeps. This will help with fermentation. Let the comfrey tea steep for 1 to 2 weeks, stirring occasionally to release nutrients. After steeping, strain the liquid to separate the comfrey leaves, leaving only the rich, dark tea. Dilute the comfrey tea with water at a ratio of 1 to 10 before use, as it's quite strong. Your comfrey tea is ready. Use it to water the base of your plants, giving them a natural nutrient boost. Subscribe for more updates.